Hello everyone, let us solve this question. First of all, this question is a little bit lengthy, not much, and obviously difficult one. So whenever we have given f of x equal to root over g of x, so what we should do it here in this case? First of all, we should take the cases. What are the cases we should take it here? Case 1 will be f of x must be positive, correct, and case 2 will be g of x also must be greater than 0 or greater than equal to 0, we can say that, correct or not. And last one we are going to, after solving this one, last one what we are going to do it here, squaring on both side and simplify, right. So this is what we are going to get now. So what I will do it, I will just solve first this case and later this one we are going to discuss about, correct or not. So see that how we are going to solve this question. We have given 2 sin pi by 4 plus 25x equal to root over 1 plus 8 sin 50x cos square 50x, correct. So I am going to simplify inside the root itself. What do we have given? 2 sin pi by 4 plus 25x equals to root over 1 plus 8. 8 can be written as 4 into 2 sin 50x, and cos square can be written as cos 50x into cos 50x. So why I am writing this one? Because I can use this one as a 2 sin theta cos theta. So what we are going to get now? 2 sin pi by 4 plus 25x equal to root over, here what I can write, 1 plus 4, and this one will become what? This one will become sin 100x into cos 50x, correct. So again what I can use it here, 2 sin A cos B formula. So we can write 2 sin pi by 4 plus 25x equal to 1 plus 2, and this will be how much you are going to get now? 2 sin A cos B formula I can use it here. So if you use 2 sin pi by 4 plus 25x equal to 1 plus 2, and this will become how much? 2 sin A cos B will be equals to sin A plus B. So I can write here 100x plus 50x, this will be 150x sin A plus B plus how much you are going to get now? Sin A minus B. So we can write out here A minus B means 50x, we are going to get it here. 2 sin A and cos B we are going to get it. Till it's fine now, right. Now what, and this 2 will be multiplied in the both terms, correct. Now what I am going to do it here, squaring on both sides. So this will become 4 and the sin square pi by 4 plus 25x equal to, this will become how much you are going to get now? 1 plus 2 sin 150x plus 2 sin 50x, right or not. Now since we know that here only I am writing here, since we know that 2 sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta, correct or not. So this number can be written as 2, I am taking outside, and then 1 minus cos and multiply 2 inside this angle. So how much you are going to get if you multiply 2? So pi by 2 plus 50x, and since we have squared both sides, so what we are going to get now? 1 plus 2 sin 150x plus 2 sin 50x. So cos 90 plus theta, here what I can apply, cos 90 plus theta, this will become minus sin theta because it's in the second quadrant, and second quadrant cos is negative. So 2 1 and this will become plus sin 50x equal to 1 plus 2 sin 150x plus 2 sin 50x. So here 2 plus 2 sin 50x equal to 1 plus 2 sin 150x plus 2 sin 50x. This one is going to be cancel out, 1 send this side, so it will become 2 minus 1 1 and divide by 2. So basically sin 150x will be equal to 1 by 2, and that can be written as sin pi by 6. So sin theta equals to sin alpha, so theta will be equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n into alpha. Alpha means pi by 6, obviously n is an integer here, and so x will be how much you are going to get now, n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n and pi by 6, and obviously divide by 150. One thing you should note that x should belongs to 0 to pi upon 25. This is given in the question, correct or not? So till up to here it's fine, correct or not? So according to the given condition, x should belongs to 0 to pi by 25. So x should be greater than 0 and less than pi by 25. Substitute the value of x. So x will be how much, n, and pi I am taking common, so plus minus 1 raised to power n into 1 by 6 and then pi upon 150 I can write out. Since pi is a positive number, so I can cancel out in the both side. So here what I can do it here, this okay, obviously this number will be less than how much you are going to get now, less than pi by 25. So now I am doing here cancelling out pi here and 0 by pi will become pi itself. So what is the value you are going to get now, 0 less than n plus minus 1 raised to power n into 1 by 6 and obviously 1 by 50 also, and then less than 1 by 25. Multiply by 25 both sides. So this will become 0 and this will become n plus minus 1 raised to power n into 1 by 6, and if you multiply by 25 it will become 1 by 6 itself equal to 1 we are going to get now. So what we can write out here itself, if you are multiplying by 25, so obviously we are going to have 6 itself, correct? So here what we can write out, we can write 0 less than, and this will be n by 6 plus minus 1 raised to power n by 36 and less than 1, correct? That is what we are going to have now. So 1 by 50 we have seen, and 0 to 25. So we have given in the question what, x belongs to 0 to 25, fine. So here we can write out 0 to 25. So pi will be cancelled out, and if you multiply by 25, so 25 6 are 150. So this is also, it is going to be cancelled out itself. So we got these values, and how much these values do we have now? If you take the LCM 36, so this will become 0 and here 6n plus minus 1 raised to power n and less than 36 we are going to get now, right or not? So what is the value of n here possible, tell me? So n I can take 0 also, yes, n I can take 0 also, negative I can take 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, even 5 also I can take it here, and 6 can we take it? No, 6 6 is 36, 36 plus 1, 6 we can't take. So n should be from where to where, from 0 to 5, and obviously it should be integers. So this is what we are going to have now from the first relation. Also if you see the question, you can take the equation 1 itself or equation whatever you want, equation 1 itself you can take it or 2 itself you can take it. So right hand side, can you see that right hand side here we have given, and this number should be positive, and when it is going to be positive, if this number will be, what we are going to get now, it should be in between 0 to pi. So let us write out this number somewhere else. So I am just copying this expression so that I can use it. Okay. So here I am taking the same number. Now see that right hand side should be what? Its right hand side, this all numbers should be positive, and when it will be positive, if and only if this inside the value of sign, this number lies in between 0 to pi, because in this interval sign gives positive values. So pi by 4 plus 25x must be lying in between 0 to pi. Now let us substitute the value of x itself. So what is the value of x? We got it here. X just now we calculated, yes, this one, this is the value of x, n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n pi by 6, 150. So we can write n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n pi by 6 into 150 and less than pi. So pi, so 25 and 150, 6 it will be. So 0 less than pi by 4 plus it will be n pi by 6 plus minus 1 raised to power n pi by 36 less than pi. You could divide by pi both sides, so that pi and pi will be cancel out. So if you are dividing, how much you are going to get now? 0, 1 by 4 and n by 6 plus minus 1 raised to power n by 36 less than 1. So take LCM 36, this will become 0, this will become 9, this will become 6n, this will become minus n and less than 36. Correct or not? So we have to see that which one is going to satisfy. If you take n equal to 0, so it is satisfying, yes. If you take n equal to minus 1, it is satisfying. So minus 1 will be what? If you take minus 1, this will become, yes, minus 6 and this will become minus 1. So minus 7. So 2. Yes, n equal to minus 1. Minus 2 if you take it, it is not satisfying because it is getting negative. So n equals to minus 1 and then 0 also, 2 also, 3 also and 4 also. Correct or not? 4 if you take 24 and 24 plus 9, how much you are going to get now? So 24 plus 9 less than 36. Alright. And 5 also it is satisfying. Can you see that? 30, no, 5 is not satisfying because if you take 5, so 6.30, 39 it is getting, 39 minus 1, 37, so 5 is not satisfying. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 it's there, only this values, right? So we need common values of this one because both should satisfy. This is the equation 1 we can write out here. So here whatever the number we wrote it here n equal to what we wrote it here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? And here minus 1, 0 and obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you compare, this is the equation double hash and this equation one hash, I can say that. So from hash and double hash, what is the value of n we are going to get now? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only these values are common in both cases. So how many values you are going to get now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 solutions we are going to get it here. So here number of solutions for this question will be equals to 5. 5 is the right answer. Got it? So this is what we have done here. In this interval, if you see that for these values, if you take n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so for these values inside of the square root will be also going to be positive number because this is also positive, correct? So it has to be positive, so obviously this number should be in between 0 to pi, which already we have used here, so we will get it for sure.